there's two leads coming off an LED normally. A long one and a short one. So the long one is longer than the short one by a plus amount. So consider the plus length one to be the plus terminal. It's red, positive. So we're going to hook that up to positive. And we're going to hook up the other one to negative. And what do you think is going to happen here? Well, given that this collection of LEDs and the white is looking for 3 volts, we got 12. I think there's going to be a bright flash and it's not going to work anymore. Now bear in mind, this is an LED, light emitting diode. So if you hook it up backwards, it isn't going to work. So I'm going to take the positive lead off for the moment so I can put it on later. Alright, so now we're hooked up. I'm going to aim this out to the audience, and here we go. That's it. I don't know if you even caught that. Maybe you'd like to come in close on another one? Alright, so I aim it at you?
Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Burned out in milliseconds because it's got way too much voltage and obviously too much current. So, way to make this work, put that in the dead pile, is I got a collection of resistors here. So I'm going to start off with, what do we got here? 820 ohms. All right, new diode. We still rolling? All right, so we got 820 ohms here. That's a pretty bright light. So I don't know what the voltage is, but we got 820 ohms in series with this light, and it's on. Okay, here we are talking about resistance, and resistance involves the 3 ingredients